shortage machine failure time and improving service efficiency, we updated the remote control function on the vertical packaging machines. User can operate the machine on the phone anywhere. Program editing is not need to use computer to change beside the machine, can remote modify too. That is a great change in process for the machine using. Before, if user need to change the program, maybe need to wait for some time. Nowadays, just spend few minutes. Customer get more comfortable service that we want to see. In the future, we also keep integrating the latest market technology into the actual use of packaging machines to keep packaging machine products up to date.